Hey friends, we're here listening carefully for the sounds of cliff nesting birds. Most people don't think of cliff faces as much habitat for wildlife, but there are several species of birds here on the Colorado Plateau that specialize in living and foraging and nesting in the cliffs. Foremost amongst these is the white-throated swift. What we're hearing now are some house finches that are regulars foraging and frolicking in the canopies of the pinyon and juniper. But if you hear a higher pitched kind of creaking noise, those are the white-throated swifts emerging from their nests and roosts amongst the cliffs. Interestingly, these birds cannot take off from the ground. They have to drop off of something in order to attain flight. They've really specialized in these beautiful red rock cliff communities. Another bird that we're likely to hear is a canyon wren. The canyon wren is another cliff specialist. It has a beautiful descending cascade song that sounds something like this, with a buzz at the end. For many people, this song invokes the spirit of canyon country. Today, the house finches are stealing the show, but let's just take pause and give another listen, see who else comes out. Mostly house finches with some higher pitched chatter from the white-throated swifts circling this beautiful blue sky above.